Are Kinvara Skincare products really worth your money? Or is it just another hyped-up skincare brand riding the natural and vegan trend? That's the big question many people are asking, and in this video, we're putting KinvaraSkincare.com under the microscope to find out the truth. The brand has gained attention for offering a wide range of natural and cruelty-free products, including serums, moisturizers, cleansing oils, and daily creams, all marketed as gentle, effective, and suitable for most skin types. On the surface, it sounds like a dream brand for anyone trying to keep chemicals out of their routine. But when you start looking deeper, the story becomes a little more complicated. Customer reviews are mixed. While some users rave about how Kinvara helped them achieve smoother and clearer skin, others complain about inconsistent results, breakouts, or feeling like the products didn't live up to their price tag. Their best sellers, like the 24-hour Rosehip Face Serum and Active Rosehip Day Cream, are often praised for texture and hydration, but at the same time, critics point out that they're not very different from cheaper alternatives available in local drugstores. When it comes to brand transparency, Kinvara highlights its Irish roots and natural ethos, but beyond marketing claims, there isn't much publicly available information about clinical testing or long-term safety results, which leaves some buyers hesitant. The company itself has been around for a while, but its business history doesn't reveal much beyond standard branding, and their customer support record is mixed, with some buyers reporting quick, friendly service while others say they struggled to get refunds or responses. So, is Kinvara Skincare a trustworthy natural beauty solution, or just another brand cashing in on green marketing? The answer isn't straightforward. There are clear positives and negatives, and whether it works for you might come down to personal skin type and expectations.